Hi, are you trying to make money with Amazon FBA, but you don't know what kind of products you have to sell, or you don't know the strategy that you can use to find the right products or the winning products that you can sell and make profit from them? Or maybe you are a complete beginner and you want to learn how the process works and how you can start as a complete beginner, start making money with Amazon FBA. If so, you are on the right video, so make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to watch this video till the end, because I'm gonna share with you a golden strategy that you can use to find this kind of products that are making for the sellers tens of thousands of sales of orders and tens of thousands of ratings. As you can see right here, this seller right here sells this product right here. This product is an electric massager for $120 for each piece of this product, or for each product, as you can see right here, for each order. And he has something like 30,000 ratings, meaning that this seller right now is something like a millionaire or something like that, because look at the numbers are actually talking about themselves. So as you can see, how you can find this kind of products, this is the problem, right? Because if you pick the right product, you will make a lot of money on Amazon FBA, because everything is about the product, everything is about the winning product. And in this video I will share with you the strategy that you can use, right? So this product, first let me show you this product on AliExpress, how much you can get this for how much money you can get this product from China. Right here, this product, this is the cheapest one right here, for $31. For $31 you will have this product right here. It's not the same model, but it's the same, it does the same work. Here is another one which is a highest quality one, for another one for $31, as you can see right here. It's really cheap, right? And here is another one, as you can see right here. Just go and browse AliExpress, you will find different products. But the problem right here, or the question is, how can I get this kind of ideas? Even let's say something like, let's take this product right here, which is the back massager stretcher. How can I know if this product is actually making money or not? First, you need to check it on Amazon. Go on Amazon and type the name of the product, right? Like this one. It's the same thing I did when I found this product, or the seller right here. Just type it on Amazon and you will see if people are actually selling it and how much orders they got and all of the stuff. The second thing, even if people are actually listing this product on Amazon to sell it, because on Amazon you will find unlimited amount of products, and you don't know if these products are actually working or not, if people are interested in this product or not. Right here I will recommend for you one free tool that you can use. It's for everyone, it's completely for free. Google Trends. Look, I just typed on the search bar right here on Google Trends electric massage, right? Because I think this is what people type on Amazon if they are looking for this kind of products, or Google or eBay or any other platform if they are trying to get this products to buy. Look at the interest over time, and this is what I want you to make sure to focus on as well. This is what you have to look at, which is this button right here, right? This chart is the interest over time, so people are interested in this product all the time over the year. There is no up and down on this chart right here, which is really good. So this one gives you the idea that people are actually looking for this product in the internet all the time. So it's not something like Halloween products or all of this stuff, or something like Mother's Day products or all of it. No, this is actually a solution. This is a good product to sell, and people are looking for it, and there are a great volume of search engines right here, as you can see. And here is the countries that you, right here on this bar, you can see that people from Australia are looking for this product a lot, from New Zealand, from United Kingdom, from Ireland, from United Arab Emirates, from United States as well, Canada, Russia. This is a great one, South Africa. So this gives you the idea about the product and about the search. So right now you know that this product are actually making money for other people, and you know that people are still interested in this product over the year right here, because this is 12 months, and as you can see all the time it's like the same. It's something like 70%, it's something like 80%, it's something like 90%, which is really good. So just apply the same strategy with any niche, any product, anything you want to sell on Amazon or any other platform with Amazon FBA or Shopify drop shipping, or generally drop shipping, e-commerce business model, or anything in the internet, and it's the same thing that you can use for other stuff. So if you are interested in some premium solutions for this, I will recommend you to visit our website. I will leave the link in the description below. So we have some great deals for you if you are doing Amazon FBAs, and if you are interested in some premium softwares and services like Helium 10, like Jungle Scout, product research, we have some great coupons for you. As you can see with Helium 10, we have 50% off for your first month. Just click on the coupon you are interested in, and you will find the coupon code right here below of the picture of the platform. The same thing. So right here we have the coupon code, but with Jungle Scout we have an affiliate link because we can't get a coupon code. So just click here. So this link will redirect you to Jungle Scout to get 60% off for Jungle Scout, or for Jungle Scout Madness sale. So that was everything for today's video, guys. I just shared with you how you can find winner products to start selling on Amazon as a beginner, and I shared with you how you can use Google Trends as well to see or to have an idea about the interest, if people are actually keep searching for this product, because there are a lot of people trying to sell on Amazon FBA business model. Some did products. This is not good, and you will just invest money in nothing, right? You will just lose money because nobody is interested in this product anymore. Something like, I see some people actually looking for something like fidget spinners. Fidget spinners. It was a trend that and it's gone right now. Nobody is interested in this fidget spinners or this stretch relief or something like that. I'm not sure, but this kind of products is not good to sell right now because the trend is gone. But some great solutions for people like on healthy products, something like skincare products or anything related to something that fits in humans every day is a great idea or a great product to sell. So that was everything for today's video. See you in the next video.